let's stop, let's pause, let's take a look at everything that's happening in the markets. Let's take a look at inflation, the labor market. Let's take a look at earnings, all those things. And if we do get a crash in 6 months, what would be those things right now that we're seeing, the canary in the coal mine, if you speak, that are telling us that there's weakness and potentially we could see a crash? And this doesn't mean that a crash is coming, or it doesn't mean that we need to trade or invest in fear. It just means that we need to be prepared for whatever those scenarios and outcomes could be. And that's why this exercise is super helpful.